Creating professional explainer videos no longer requires expensive freelancers or advanced editing skills. AI can now handle the entire process in minutes. Start by opening Chrome and searching for Steve AI. Then open the website to begin creating your video. Once you're on the platform, click on the Try Best AI Video Generator for Free option to access the editor. After entering the dashboard, choose the Text-to-Video section, where you can generate complete explainer videos simply by using prompts and scripts. In the prompt box, write a detailed idea for the kind of video you want, then paste your script or description according to your topic. The more detailed your prompt is, the better and more accurate your final video will look. Now customize the settings according to your needs. You can change the video mode, duration, ratio size, animation style, and other options to match your content style perfectly. Whether you're creating business explainers, educational content, marketing ads, or social media videos, the platform gives you multiple customization tools to make the video look professional. Once everything is ready, click on the Generate button and let the AI create the video automatically. After a short wait, your explainer video will be fully generated with visuals, animations, and transitions. You can preview the final result, make small adjustments if needed, and then simply download the video with one click. This AI workflow makes high-quality explainer video creation fast, affordable, and accessible for anyone directly from a browser.